Hello and welcome to The Average EV. Today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to use the Tesla Supercharger. Let's get into it. If you have never set up the Tesla app or downloaded or anything like that, what you'll want to do, you'll take your phone, you'll scan this QR. You do that by opening up the camera in your phone. It'll prompt you to go to somewhere where you can download the app, depending on whether you have iPhone or Android. You go there, you download the app. Then once you get in the app, you set up your account, make sure you put your billing, and you are good to go. Again, I would recommend doing this ahead of time if you can, but if you can't, it's not the end of the world, especially if it's like an emergency and you weren't expecting to ever use a Tesla Supercharger. All right, so the process is pretty simple. You open up your charge port, get that ready for CCS. Make sure you find a spot that works for you. Try and not block one if you can, but if you have to, it is what it is. Then you identify the station here. It says 2D. Then you go into the app, Tesla Supercharger, Hancock, New York is where I am. I'll click there. Charge here. You select the post number you want, which is 2D. And it says unlock adapter, so I'm gonna click unlock adapter. It unlocks. Push up, pull out, and you're good to go. Then you take it and you plug it in. Let me switch sides. You plug it in to your vehicle. Once you're done, you gotta take it. You see the lovely CCS adapter. You plug it back in. And then this comes out like normal and it's good to go for the next user. Again, using the Tesla Supercharger is super easy. You're probably not going to need to use it that much. I would recommend using Electron America, EVgo when they're working, but if you have to, it's super easy to use. I hope you found this tutorial super helpful. Again, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can get all the Average EV updates. That would be wonderful, help the channel out. And I will catch you all next time.